I'm here today in Canyon Lake Forest. This is 626 Hill Climb. We are right here by boat ramp number 5 in Comau Park, and this is a beautiful new construction home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and just over 1,800 square feet. So come on in, let's take a look inside. Walking in through the front door, you can see the dining area here with that beautiful light fixture. And then you come on into the kitchen with this wide open floor plan. Beautiful kitchen. Check out the fireplace. High fan here in the living area, and just every detail is gorgeous of this home. On the right hand side here of the kitchen is a half bath, which is perfect for the guests when you're entertaining in this beautiful home. And then off to the other side here is the master bedroom downstairs. So welcome to the primary bathroom, and as you can see, we've got the double vanity here. We're on the downstairs level, which is amazing. And check out this gorgeous stand-up shower and this shower tub combo. Right next to it, this bathroom has it all. They've got the separate commode area over here to the side as well. And check out the master closet. It's right here, right off of the bathroom. So right off the entrance to the right-hand side, you've got this beautiful staircase, and come on up, we'll take a look upstairs. So now we're at the top of the stairs, and we've got another bedroom here and a bedroom here. They both share a bathroom right here in the middle, and it has a beautiful stand-up shower. Take a look at this great loft area. This has the beautiful coffered ceiling, and it's such a great place to entertain your family upstairs, or the kids can be up here. And next, we're gonna take a look at this beautiful deck with such an amazing view of Canyon Lake. So right off the loft, you come outside to these beautiful doors, and it takes you out to this amazing deck that has such a great view right here of Canyon Lake on the south side of the lake. And this house actually has 2 covered decks. This is the upstairs covered deck. There's also one downstairs. So this is a great place to just relax and enjoy, take a look and take in Canyon Lake. And we also have a 1-car garage downstairs. So it's such a great space. Give me a call for more details.